Hi guys, welcome to Tactile channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a Bon Voyage card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into Canva account with ID and password. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Just click on this and write Bon Voyage and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many Bon Voyage templates. All of you have to just choose one and start customizing yourself, which is your choice preference. Okay, so let's choose this one, the first one. If you like this template and if you want to customize this template, go here, customize this template. Your template is ready to customize. Now you can edit every portion you want. Alright, wait, it's loading. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm going to show you how you can customize this template in every portion. If you want to zoom this, just click Ctrl and up scroll from the mouse. It will be zoomed like this. Now if you want to remove this picture and add your own picture here, just click and press backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed. Now you can add here your own picture. Let's add. You have to go upload, then upload files from your computer. After uploading files, it will be here like this, and you have to just choose and you have to resize it here. Okay, so it doesn't fit. So what I'm gonna do is going elements, writing here frame and press enter. You can find many frame here. Okay, you can add a frame here. Let's choose this one, resize it, and you can adjust it here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put a picture here now. Going upload file from computer, then it will be here. You have to click and drag it with the mouse. It will be automatically adjusted. Okay, so if you want to add here a custom picture, go elements, right here anything you want to add, like forest or tourism. You will find many pictures. Just click on and adjust it here. Okay, so now you can change this Bon Voyage color. Go text color and you will find many colors here. Just choose one, it will be changed. If you want to bold it, double click and you can see a bold, but it is disabled right now, so you cannot bold it. So if you don't like this and if you want to delete this portion, just click and backspace, it will be removed. And if you want to add something here, like anything you can add, go elements and right here you want to add, like here you can write plane or a tree. You can find many trees. You can find here the icons and you will find here the pictures. So I'm choosing one icon. Okay, you can resize it by like this. Alright, so now you can see here the background, which is white. You can change it also. Click here and go background color. You will find many colors. Just click and you can change it. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it? Oh, okay, you can add text here also. Just go text and you will find many text here. Or if you want to add a custom text, right here add a heading, double click and you can write anything you want, and you can drag it like this anywhere. You can decrease the font size by clicking and going here, decrease the font size. It will be decreased automatically. Okay guys, so if you want to color it, like I showed you before, go color, text color, and you can color it. If you want to bold it, go bold, it will be bold. Okay, so after completing your work, how you can download it? Go here, share button, and you'll find here download. After clicking on download, you will be suggested many options. Just choose one and start downloading by clicking on this download button. Okay, So now if you want to share this with via mail, go collaborate link, and you can see here anyone with the link, click it, and you have to put here your mail, whom you want to share with .com at the rate. After putting the mail, you have to click on send. After clicking send, this whole work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a Bon Voyage card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.